Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to discuss about some questions from CBSE sample paper 2020-21.
If two tangents are inclined at 60 degree and drawn to a circle of radius 3 cm, then find the length of each tangent. Here it is not given the diagram. We have to draw the diagram. First we have to draw a circle of circle with center O, and radius it is given 3 cm. Just you have to mark the radius OA 3 cm. P is the point outside the circle, and from P to circle you have to draw two tangents, that is P and PB are the two tangents, and it's given that two tangents are inclined at 60 degree it is given. So here you have to mark it as 60 degree. Now we should join OP. We have to find out the length of the tangent P and PB. We have to find out each tangent, that is P and PB. We know the property of tangent. Length of tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. So PA is equal to PB. Now we can write what is given in the question. So angle APB is given 60 degree. OA is equal to 3 centimeter. We should find out PA and PB. So PA is equal to PB is equal to, you have to find out. First we have to consider triangle PAO and PBO. Both the triangle you have to consider and prove the congruency of the triangle. So consider triangle PAO and triangle PBO. For proving congruency, we need three equalities. So first we can write PA is equal to PB. Tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal in length, or length of tangent tangents from an external point are equal. We must write the reason. Point to a circle are equal. Second condition, OA is equal to OB, radii of same circle. Third condition, OP is equal to OP, common. Therefore, triangle PAO is congruent to triangle PBO. We used here three sides, therefore the congruency rule we applied is SSS rule we applied. Since the triangles are congruent, we can write the CPCT APO is equal to BPO, that's equal to 30 degree. Both angles are equal, that is CPCT. Since the angles are equal, the total angle P is equal to 60 degree. Therefore, the two angles are equal, then each angle will be 30 degree. Now, we have to consider the triangle APO. In triangle APO, we know one angle and one side we know. So, just I am drawing the triangle here separate. This triangle I am drawing here. This is the triangle I have drawn here. In that, angle A is 90 degree because tangent and radius are perpendicular to each other, and P is 30 degree. We proved now. OA is equal to 3 centimeter. OA is 3 centimeter, or AO is 3 centimeter. Now we know one side of the triangle and one angle we know. To find out the remaining sides, we can apply trigonometric ratio. So here the trigonometric ratio we have to apply. We should find out the value of PA. For finding out the value of PA is the side adjacent to 30 degree and OA is the side opposite to 30 degree. So the relation or ratio of adjacent and opposite side, we can take the ratio tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side, that is OA, divided by PA. Tan 30 value is 1 by root 3. We all know the value of tan 30, that is 1 by root 3. Value of OA is 3 centimeter divided by PA. Now you should do cross multiplication. PA into 1 we can write PA. 3 into root 3, 3 root 3 centimeter. And PA is equal to PB, because PA and PB are the tangents drawn from the point P to the circle. Therefore, PA is equal to PB is equal to 3 root 3 centimeter. Now the next question, if PQ is equal to 28 centimeter, then find the perimeter of triangle PLM. These all are important questions. And this is from sample paper 2020-21 CBSE sample paper. I have taken these questions. So practice these questions. PQ is equal to 28 centimeter given. Here also diagram is given in the question. So PQ is equal to 28 centimeter, that is given in the question. We should find out the perimeter of triangle PLM. Perimeter triangle PLM we have to find out. So perimeter of triangle PLM means we have to find out PL. Perimeter meaning adding the boundary of all the sides of the given figure. So PLM is a triangle. Therefore all the three sides are PL, PM and LM. These are the three sides of the triangle. So we should get the three sides and then we have to add those three sides. You will get the perimeter of triangle PLM. For that it is given only PQ. So we can write PQ is equal to PT, because P is the external point and PQ and PT are the tangents from external point to the circle with center O. Therefore PQ is equal to PT is equal to 28 centimeter given. Length of, reason you have to write lengths of tangents or length of tangents from an external point to a circular, from an external point to a circular equal now PQ is equal to, we can write it as PL plus QL or LQ, equation 1. Same way PT is equal to PM plus MT, equation 2. Now LQ is equal to LN. LQ is equal to LN, tangents from the point L to the circle, and MT is equal to MN. MT is equal to MN. So this also the reason you have to write tangents from an external point to the circle are equal in length. Tangents from an external point to a circle are equal in length. Now we can add the equation 1 and 2. 1 plus 2 we can add. That is LHS you have to add, then RHS you have to add. LHS is PQ plus PT is equal to RHS PL plus QL plus Next equation RHS PM plus MT. PQ, PT, both the values we got 28 centimeters. So we can substitute that value 28 plus 28 is equal to PL. What we have to find out? PL plus PM plus LM we have to find out. In this PL is there, PM is there. So we can write PL plus PM plus QL plus MT. Here you can see QL. That value of QL is what? LN. So in the place of QL we can substitute as LN or NL plus in the place of MT you have to substitute MN. Now we can go through that figure. 28 plus 28 is 56 centimeter. NL plus NM or MN. These two parts if you add you will get ML plus NM. You can see here that red color line, that is we are getting that LM. Line LM we are getting. So we can write PL plus PM plus NL plus MN, we can write it as LM. So we got the value of PL plus PM plus LM, that is 56 centimeter. Therefore perimeter of triangle is equal to, therefore perimeter of triangle PLM is equal to 56 centimeter.